Yay, it's the holidays. Personally, this is such a fun and joyous time of the year. But if you're a business owner, it can be a time of chaos. Would you like some order through the chaos? What if instead of chaotic, you felt in control? Hi, I'm Miley Colmer, certified business coach and master referral coach. When you have a 90-day action plan thought out and written down, there's a feeling of certainty knowing that you have it figured out. Instead of wondering what to do next, all the steps are laid out, and in 90 days, you will have hit those milestones and goals you set. When you attend my 90-day business planning session, I will walk you through a step-by-step process, and you will create your own action plan that will give you confidence and control. One key to creating order is to have a clear focus. It can be on 1, 2, or 3 goals. Start thinking about it now. What do you want? What would be that milestone that when you achieve it, you know you're going to hit your goal? What do you want to accomplish to feel like a success? And what do you want to do to feel like you're taking care of your people? And what needs to happen so you feel free to go have some fun? So register now and get the early bird price for this 90-day business planning workshop. Long-term plans require short-term action. Get a jump on 2022 in this business goal and marketing workshop. I'm Miley Colmer. Together, we can achieve so much more than we can alone.